everyone, today we show you how to upgrade the screen of 2010 BMW X5. The original car display is using the knob to operate and no touchscreen function. Today we upgrade the 2010 BMW X5 to a touchscreen, so you can touch the screen or use knob to control. Remove all the panels at the center console with the tool. Use a tool to remove the panel of the air conditioner. Then remove the wires at the back and put the panel in place. There are screws here that need to be removed. Carefully remove the lower panel and remove the harness at the connector. And after remove the fixing screws near the unit head. Take the unit head out and remove the cables at the interface. Again. This time remove the screws at the bottom of the display. Pull out the old display and unplug the cables. Next, we'll plug into the new cables and complete the connection between the unit head and new touchscreen. Then plug the reversing detection cable, power cable, LVD cable, audio cable, and other cables into the back of the 12.3-inch unit in turn. These two cables are connected to the aux and camera output cables. 4th generation signal and GPS antenna cables also need to be plugged in it. Tidy up the cables behind the touchscreen and install them back in place after they have been plugged in. The removed center panel is also installed back in turn, and the screws are fixed to the panel. Remove the panels on the passenger side and the strips on the door frame. Install GPS locator firmly inside the pillar. Then put back the panels and strips in turn. Now the 12.3-inch touchscreen machine has been installed, giving 2010 BMW X5 a fresh new look. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your driving journey.